Morning students, today in lecture number 12 I will discuss your last exercise 2.5. This exercise is very important. First of all, you learn all the identities. Clear? Then I will start question number 1. Question number 1 is use suitable identities to find the product of the following. First of all, you see 3x plus 4 into 3x minus 5. How can you multiply by using appropriate identities? First of all, you check this identity x plus a into x plus b. Here you see, here 3x same, here x and x are same, here 4 minus 5, here a and b, because they are different, and this is same. X and x same, 3x and 3x same, a and b they are different, 4 and minus 5 are different. So identity of x plus a into x plus b equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus a into b. So use this identity, product of these two equal to a square in place of x square, 3x is here, plus a plus b in place of a, 4, in place of b minus 5 with sign, into in place of x 3x plus in place of a 4, in place of b minus 5. So 3 square 9 x square, then 4 minus 5 equal to minus 1, minus 1 into 3x minus plus minus 20, 9x square plus minus 3x minus 20. It is clear? Now see the fourth part, y square plus 3 upon 2, y square minus 3 upon 2. You see this identity, a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. Because here y square same, 3 upon 2, it is plus, it is minus. You see this identity same. Then you use this identity in place of a, what is here, y square whole square, in place of b minus, in place of b 3 upon 2 square. So y to the power 4, 3 square 9, y 2 square 4. Clear? Now question number 2 is evaluate the following product without multiplying directly. You use suitable identity. This 103 into 104. Then 103 you can write 100 plus 3, 107. This you can write 100 plus 7 because it is near to 100. Now then you see this identity beta, x plus a into x plus b, x square, a plus b into x plus a into b, use because here this is same and it is a and b are different. So identity x square in place of x 100, a plus b, a means 3, b means 7 into x, x means 100 plus a into b, 3 into 7. So 100 square, then 10,000, then 3 plus 7, 10 into 100, 1000 plus 21. So you add together. Clear? Now next is 95 into 96. 95, this you can write 100 minus 5, this you can 100 minus 4. Then you use same identity. Then x square in place of x 100 plus a plus b, a means minus 5, b is minus 4 into x 100 plus a into b in place of a minus 5, in place of b minus 4. Then 100 square 10,000 minus 5 minus 4 minus 9 into 100 minus plus 20. Then 10,000 minus 900 plus 20 you add together and minus 900 equal to 9120. Now question number 3 is factorize the following using appropriate identity. You see 9x square plus 6xy plus y square. You see which identity you will use. Here you see a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Then you put this in this form. You see this is the whole square of 3x, this is the whole square of y here is 2, in place of a 3x, in place of b y, so you multiply together, you will get this. So this you can write a plus b whole square, in place of a 3x, in place of b y whole square, then it is multiplied by 2 times. So you see here, x square minus y square upon 100, this x square you can write x whole square, this y square upon 100, y upon 10 whole square. So you use this identity, a square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b, a minus b, a plus b. So similarly you can solve all the part of question number 1, 2 and 3. Thank you.